do that, man, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. She says that I ain't like that, but I swear this ain't no fake gut. Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie here, back with another video, right? Since I have some time before my next client come in, I thought I'd do a little quick review of a product that I've been using for about 3, maybe 4 weeks now. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? It's like I got scratches all on my glasses, right? But today we are gonna just talk about real quick about the Cocco trimmer, the Veloce Pro trimmer, right? This is one of the newest products from I was about to say from Veloce, but from Cocco. This is 160 on their website, and this is their new trimmer. They also have the clipper that goes along with this. I did not buy the clipper, I only bought the trimmer. I got the black one, and it also comes in different colors, as you can see right there. Like I was saying, this is 160 on their website. Just a few things about it. It's the professional high torque brushless motor, long lasting, 3 hours. It takes 3 hours to get a full charge for a 2-hour runtime, with our digital gapping and outlining for the detailing of the blade. And it also does come with the ambassador blade, right? So in this box, you didn't really get much. You did get the charging cable, all right? If I can get this open real quick. It came with 2 boxes extra in here. This box had nothing in it, absolutely nothing. This box had a charging cable, it had the block, and it also had the charging block, and also had a screwdriver and a cleaning brush. That was it. So the main thing that you do get, there also is a dock, a charging dock on the website, but it don't comes with this. It don't come with the trimmer, but the charging dock alone is $30. So this is the machine at 160. So 160 for the trimmer, and then $30 for the charging block if you want to get the charging dock. So that's now at 190, $200 for the trimmer. This is the product. Their design does come with their ambassador digital gap blade. Now, no matter how you feel about the digital gap, I know how I feel about it. I do think it is a marketing ploy, but it's a marketing ploy that's been, I guess, working for them, right? This is the design, nice little grooves here for the grip. Very small trimmer. You do get the regular charging there, but also you get the USB charging. So if you, with now everything, you come into the USB-C. So if you got anything that charge USB-C, like I also use the same charger for my Babyliss charging dock. A lot of things are going to USB-C lately. That's the high-vis trimmer from Wahl. So you can, that's one way that they're gonna start eliminating all of these extra cords. You have 2 cords charging everything. You get what I'm saying? So you got that. But again, that's the design. The ambassador blade, it does got like a deep tooth blade on there, the cutting blade. Not loud at all, a lot quieter than their a lot quieter. So all of that is cool. The main question is, how does it perform? How does it work? Now, coming fresh out the box, when I first used the other Cocco trimmer, fresh out the box, it was good, it was soft. This is a little bit sharper than the original, than that when I first got it. This is a lot sharper, it's set a lot closer, but it's not set too close that you have to dial it back. It's in the sense of, once you learn to tap and go, and how much pressure you need to put. See, I'm a little bit heavy-handed, so I have to learn my pressure on a lot of different tools anyway. So once you learn your pressure, it's good. Going against the grain and going through bulk on ball heads, this thing is butter, right? The blade is so smooth, it's no snags, it goes through everything with no problem. It's very smooth. Now, once it comes to lining up, it is a great, now as you know, here is a lot tougher than the back of your neck, right? So sometimes on the back of a person's neck, depending on their skin tone, their texture of hair, I wouldn't really necessarily use this on the back of their neck, right? Sometimes it would leave a little red marks. It's just a lot sharper, but it is set. Now, if it's, say you got a lighter touch, I think with a lighter touch, it'll be cool. You won't have to worry about that. But around here and everything, great. Like, it had no snags. It was very smooth, on the go, like, you know, when you putting in C cups or stuff of that nature. So when you just going with it, putting in designs and everything, it glides so smooth, right? I had no problem with this getting hot at all. This is their brushless motor. It is at 7,200 RPM. I had to test it because it don't say it anywhere. It might say it in the booklet, but I did not read the booklet. But it's about 7,200 RPM. So it's not too much power. Some trimmers, like the Instinct trimmer that I use from Stylecraft, I think it had too much power in it. And I don't think trimmers should have 11,000 RPM and all that. I just don't think it's necessary, right? So using this, I have been able to use this back to back without worrying about the pressure on certain skin textures and stuff like that. It has been able to get the job done. 2 hours of runtime. You notice that 2 hours of runtime. It said it take 3 hours to charge. I didn't try it with a fast charging adapter. I don't know if they got the fast connector. I'm not sure of. I know there are some like this that do have the fast charging connection. Honestly don't know if this do or not. It took 3 hours to get 2 hours of runtime, but the thing is, with that 2 hours of runtime, you feel that 2 hours of runtime. It's like sometimes you feel like, did it really give me that 2 hours? But I've been able to put it on the charging cable, use it throughout the day with no problem, right? At 160. So the main question is it worth the buy? Should I rush out and get it? Like I say with all of this stuff, of course, this is my opinion, right? Is this something that you need to rush out to buy? It depends on if you're if you're looking for a new trimmer or not, right? The price of this is a lot better than when they first brought out their other Cocco trimmer, and at first it was like $225, $250, something like that, all right? So the price wise, it is a lot better. Although those other products have came down in price too, this pricing is a lot better. You can find other trimmers like this for a lot cheaper, all right? So that's where you running into, should I get it, should I not? It does come with our ambassador blade. I honestly think, again, however you feel about Digital Gap, however I feel about Digital Gap, I actually think Digital Gap, and it's just zero gapping, but that's another story. I don't want to negative talk. I've already been down that road. But whatever Murano is doing with these blades, they are cutting, they are getting the job done. So honestly, if you are just looking for a blade, I say you just buy their ambassador blade, or buy one of those blades from Cocco off of their website, and just put it on the machine that you like, because that's the main driving force of this trimmer, right? It is a good trimmer. If your trimmer is working, this is nothing you need to rush out for, all right? Is it better than some of the other products that I've been using? No, but it is good in place. So I've been using this from Cocco for a while. That will just trade off for this, right? So I've been using that for balding. Using this for balding and taking like bald heads or bald fades, I'm talking about so smooth. So long story short, is it a good product? Very good product. Is it worth the buy? If you need a trimmer, yes. If you're not, you know, some stuff is just like, oh, you should try this. This is nothing that I would tell you all to just go rush out and get, all right? But I think if you do buy it, or if you do want to see how, I say just get the blade and put it on the machine that you're using, and I say you'll still get a good feedback from it. So whatever trimmer fits in your hand, it feels good to you, I say just get the ambassador blade or one of the Cocco blades, put it on your trimmer, go from there, right? The actual machine is not a big driving force of the sale, all right? I think the blade is the main thing that's that they're really pushing, right? So There you go. I have had a good time using it though. Would it be in my main rotation? No, it would not be over the flex. It would not be over even the high vis. It would not be over the gold FXs. So it's still below a few products that I've been using. All right, and that's just my opinion. I say try it out for yourself if you really want to know the ins and outs of the trimmer. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and I do appreciate you all for checking out the videos. Hopefully we hit 20,000 subscribers here very soon. I'm debating on having a giveaway then or wait until another, maybe that 25,000 mark, right? But we'll see how things go. But yeah, we'll be back. Peace.